Welcome back to Revolutionizing Healthcare. Today we are going to make corn chowder with essential oils in the Instant Pot. Real quick guys, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button. We usually put up at least one video a week and you do not want to miss out. Also, join our Facebook group where we have constant essential oil ideas posted every day. Ingredients you are going to need for this recipe: 4 slices of chopped bacon, 1 chopped onion, half a cup of chopped sweet peppers, 1/4 to half a cup of chopped celery, 2 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, black pepper essential oil, 1 pound of Yukon Gold potatoes, 4 cups of chicken broth, 3 cups of corn kernels, 1 cup of heavy cream. As always, when cooking or using essential oils internally, make sure you only use 100% certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. If you're using a different type of essential oil, you do so at your own risk. You can find these oils in the description down below. Set Instant Pot to saute on normal and wait for it to heat up. Once the Instant Pot is hot, add your bacon and cook it until crisp. Remove bacon to a paper towel lined plate and then add salt, onion, garlic, the sweet pepper and the celery, and stir to combine. Add 1 drop of black pepper essential oil. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes or until vegetables are softened. Press cancel, add potatoes, stir those in, and then add 4 cups of chicken broth. Give that 1 or 2 good stirs. Add 1 drop of basil essential oil, add 1 drop of thyme essential oil. Place lid on Instant Pot and set the pressure valve to pressure. Select soup on Instant Pot, and when done, we're going to allow for a natural pressure release. After the Instant Pot is depressurized, turn to saute and bring to a simmer. When simmering, add corn. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 3 to 5 minutes, press cancel on the Instant Pot and add the heavy cream and stir. Sprinkle with the chopped bacon and enjoy. Guys, as always, please throw me some thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell. That way you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos coming up. And remember, you can find the best ingredients and the best essential oils in the entire world at the best prices in the link down below. I will see you next week on Revolutionizing Healthcare.